Dave here, how are you? I'm just going to give you a quick tip. This video is only about 2 minutes long. Stick with me, here we go. I'm going to show you how I drill my own holes out in T-track, because the small holes, I don't like small screws holding T-track down. They don't really hold. I use Euro screws. They have a beautiful coarse grip and holds these down well. And the profile I use has got glue slots in it as well, both on the side and also on the base. Now I've made a little jig up, which is basically a piece of T-track with a couple of pieces of wood. I've screwed down into the wood so it holds the piece of T-track steady, can't move around. Then I just simply slip the bit of T-track that I'm going to drill out with a 6mm drill, working from the back. Then I don't get any kind of dags hanging off on the base. They'll be on the inside, which I'll take out with a countersink later on. And then it's easy for me to just go along and drill the holes. So let's do that. I'll bring you in close so you can see what's happening. You can see this side nice and clean, the inside little dags everywhere. So I'll take them over to the other drill press and we'll run an 8mm drill bit down in there to countersink them. Clean and countersunk, not clean. So here's the hole that I've just countersunk, and there's the screw straight inside. You see the head is not sticking up at all. It's no trick, there it is. That's how you do it. And you've got that much of the Euro screw sticking out. Will not go through an 18mm piece of ply from top to bottom of the screw. You finish clear. Thanks for watching. Keep on coming back. See you later.